if you had the ability to make 300 to 400% in the next 6 months with an investment, would you want to be paying attention to that? That's kind of what I woke up with this morning before I was recording this video. And tomorrow morning, we're going to go over this in what's called the future forecast at Trade Confident.io. The thought that I had was, let me draw this out for you guys. Based off where the cycle is at, there's a lot of people saying that the top is in. The top is in. However, if you look at the charts that show where the top of Bitcoin comes, we're nowhere close. Do you guys know that there are metrics that say 126 to 132, right around this area, 1,000 is where Bitcoin goes to, and then actually then starts its parabolic phase after we hit these levels? What if you're one of the people that are selling right now because of fear, because the top looks like it's in visually, but you're not using metrics behind the scenes? Who I'm trying to talk to right now are you guys who are retail traders who've only probably been in the market maybe, let's say, 1 to 2 years. Doing this now for 10 years, in probably about November, it'll be 10 years. What I can tell you guys is the metrics behind the scenes that govern Bitcoin, active addresses, MVRV score, terminal price, the rainbow chart, okay, Fibonacci, the golden Fibonacci multiplier ratio, a big mouthful of these crazy terms that you're like, I don't know what any of these mean. You need to understand what these are, and let me show these to you, because these are going to govern the tops of this cycle. They have every single cycle, okay? The most exciting part about this is that if you're watching this video right now and you guys are getting into crypto, you know, you're dipping your toes in the water and you're ready to jump in, you are actually doing this at a time where we think altcoins are about to explode. Multiple prophetic words. We are a Christian, based business here. I bring the Lord into our analysis as well as prophetic. We believe, and we are seeing the Lord show us that there's a massive explosion coming for the markets. But many people, I don't believe, are positioned correctly. People are following the narrative of what's on the news. The news is actually not preparing you guys for the shift, the rotation of money. Let me explain this real quick. I will unravel all this tomorrow and prove this to you guys with charts. What's going to happen here is BTC.D, it will turn over, guys. I know people are like, we're never going to get an alt season. I am confident. Multiple prophetic visions I've had, dreams that the Lord has given me, even confirmation from other people as well. I truly believe we're going to get an alt season. And we need Bitcoin dominance to drop and Bitcoin to move back up. Now, again, if you're like, I don't understand what you're saying, Travis, you guys need to get educated. Because we are talking about when Bitcoin dominance drops, because of how long it's taken to actually drop, we are probably going to have what we call a waterfall event, where BTC.D waterfalls like it did in 2017. 21, there was still a waterfall, but 17, it just dropped. You only have, do you guys understand that in the parabolic move for altcoins, you only have 4 to 6 weeks to capture the majority of the gains, and then they're gone, and you actually have to wait 4 years for the next turnaround? Some of you guys listen to this are like, I didn't realize that. That's okay. I didn't realize it, 8-9 years ago either. When you see the charts, and I simply put this together tomorrow morning for you guys, it's going to be on Friday, it'll be May 6th. I want to show you and walk you methodically and very simply through. No big terms. Like, I want to make it very simple so like a 7-year-old could understand this. Here's where we're at. Here's where we are at based off previous cycles. Here's what's expected to come with proof. Here are the coins that I'm holding. Here's what I believe will do best. Let's get you situated for the bull market that is still yet ahead. I want to show that to you guys and prepare you guys. So if you're brand new to crypto and you're watching this, I'm going to, challenge you guys and encourage you guys, please use the link in the description. We are giving everybody 25% off as new members. Tomorrow morning at tradeconfident.io, click the future forecast, scroll down. This will be June 6th. I'm going to come out with another video. I'm going to show you guys all that I'm talking about today. Feel free to go back and watch all the previous videos. You guys can see the pattern that's happening again that happened previously on Bitcoin, shot Bitcoin up over 90%. Are you aware of that pattern even forming right now? Are you aware of the cup and handle pattern that's forming on Ethereum as well as Bitcoin now? Do you know how cup and handle patterns play out? Are they bullish or bearish? Do you know where the targets are? Okay. There's a lot we need to go over tomorrow to set you guys up. So use the link in the description, guys. I'll see you tomorrow morning in the future forecast. God bless you guys. I want to get you prepared for what is coming and help you use good risk management. Last but not least, if you guys want to grab the indicators, you can do that. We have great deals on these. These are responsible for us winning 291 wins and 0 losses. We have the greatest track record for trading cryptocurrency we can find anywhere online. And there's an open ledger of this for everybody to view. You will get access to every single one of our trade calls when you guys are in tradeconfident.io. Okay? This is something we give to you guys. If you have any questions, email us at betradeconfident, betradeconfident@gmail.com. I will see you guys tomorrow morning in the future forecast, and I'm going to share with you guys how to position yourselves, in my opinion, to make the most money in the next 6 months, period. I love you guys, and I'll see you tomorrow morning. Tradeconfident.io. Enjoy the coupon. Bye, guys.